Did you know that by the time you're 30, your body starts aging at a faster rate? It's true. Scientists have found that we begin losing our ability to repair cells around this age, and by 60, we're only using half of our body's energy production capacity compared to when we were younger. But here's the kicker: aging isn't inevitable. It's something we can slow down, and even reverse. Dr. David Sinclair, one of the world's top aging researchers, is on a mission to show us how. In this video, we're going to dive into the latest science behind aging and discover groundbreaking strategies to keep us looking and feeling younger for longer. From activating longevity genes to unlocking the power of certain compounds, Dr. Sinclair has found ways to slow the clock. And it's not just about feeling better, it's about living longer, healthier. Want to know how simple changes could add years to your life? Stay tuned, because the secrets to slowing aging are right here. Chapter 1: Unlocking the Aging Code. Dr. Sinclair's revolutionary insights. Dr. David Sinclair has spent years exploring the biology of aging, and his findings are nothing short of revolutionary. In his book Lifespan: Why We Age, and Why We Don't Have to, he shares his groundbreaking research, revealing that aging is not a biological inevitability, but something we can control. Sinclair has made it clear, aging is a disease, and that disease is treatable. He believes that by unlocking the genetic pathways that control aging, we can slow down the clock and even reverse some of the signs of aging. At the core of his work is the concept of epigenetics, the idea that our genes are not fixed but can be influenced by our environment and lifestyle choices. Sinclair has discovered that our genes hold the key to longevity, and by activating certain genes, we can promote cell health and rejuvenation. One of these critical genes is called SIRT1, which regulates many cellular functions related to aging, including DNA repair. Sinclair found that activating this gene can extend lifespan, and it's something we can influence with simple lifestyle changes. Chapter 2: The Fountain of Youth is Inside You. Activating your longevity genes. Sinclair's research has focused heavily on a group of genes called sirtuins. These genes are known as the longevity genes because they play a key role in regulating the body's response to stress, metabolism, and inflammation, all factors that impact aging. By activating sirtuins, Sinclair believes we can slow the aging process and even reverse damage caused by age. One powerful way to activate sirtuins is through calorie restriction, or intermittent fasting. Studies have shown that reducing the number of calories you eat by just 20 to 30% can activate sirtuins and extend lifespan in animals. In humans, intermittent fasting has been linked to lower inflammation, improved metabolism, and better heart health. Sinclair himself practices intermittent fasting, believing it's one of the simplest and most effective strategies for extending life. But it's not just about food. Exercise also activates sirtuins. In a groundbreaking study, researchers found that just 30 minutes of moderate exercise can significantly boost the activity of these longevity genes. Sinclair explains that the body responds to physical activity as if it were a mild form of stress, triggering a protective response that benefits cells. Exercise is a superpower in aging, he says, and it's one of the most accessible tools we have for staying young. Chapter 3: Beyond Diet: Why Your Cells Are the Key to Aging. Sinclair emphasizes that aging isn't just about the skin wrinkles we see on the outside, it's about the health of our cells. Over time, our cells accumulate damage, and this damage contributes to the aging process. Sinclair's work shows that this cellular damage is not inevitable. In fact, our cells are constantly repairing themselves. However, as we age, the repair process becomes less efficient. The good news? Sinclair believes we can improve cellular repair by boosting the levels of a molecule called NAD+, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. NAD+ is crucial for energy production and cell repair. As we get older, our NAD+ levels drop, which makes it harder for our cells to maintain their health. Sinclair's research suggests that by supplementing with NAD+ boosters like NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, we can restore these levels and potentially slow aging at the cellular level. In addition to NAD+, Sinclair points out the importance of reducing oxidative stress in the body. This stress is caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells. Free radicals contribute to aging and diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer. By managing oxidative stress through antioxidants in food, like vitamin C and E, and lifestyle choices, we can protect our cells and delay aging. Sinclair explains, by managing the damage at the cellular level, we can slow aging and prevent many age-related diseases. If you're finding this information useful, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest insights into health and aging. Chapter 4: Reverse the Clock: Harnessing the Power of Resveratrol and NMN. In his research, Dr. David Sinclair places special emphasis on two powerful compounds that have shown promise in reversing aging at the cellular level: resveratrol and NMN. Resveratrol is a plant compound found in red wine, grapes, and berries. For years, scientists have known that it can activate sirtuins, the longevity genes Sinclair believes are key to slowing aging. But what makes resveratrol especially interesting is its ability to mimic the benefits of calorie restriction without needing to eat less. Sinclair often quotes, "Resveratrol activates the same genes that are activated by fasting, so it helps trick your body into thinking it's under stress in a good way." Studies on resveratrol have shown that it can improve cardiovascular health, reduce inflammation, and help with metabolic function. Sinclair and his team discovered that when they gave resveratrol to mice, they lived longer and showed fewer signs of aging. While the human studies are still in the early stages, Sinclair suggests that incorporating small amounts of resveratrol into your diet, through food or supplements, could have a significant impact on health span. NMN, or nicotinamide mononucleotide, is another key player in Sinclair's anti-aging strategy. NMN is a precursor to NAD+, the molecule critical for energy production and cellular repair. As we age, NAD+ levels naturally decline, which contributes to a slower metabolism, increased inflammation, and age-related diseases. But NMN has been shown to boost NAD+ levels, improving cellular function and extending lifespan in animal studies. Sinclair believes that taking NMN supplements could restore NAD+ levels, helping the body to repair itself more efficiently and slowing the aging process. Dr. Sinclair personally takes both resveratrol and NMN daily as part of his anti-aging regimen, citing their proven benefits in promoting cellular repair and longevity. While more research is needed to confirm their long-term effects in humans, early results are promising. Sinclair's advice is simple: start early, and don't wait for the science to catch up. He believes that using compounds like resveratrol and NMN could make a meaningful difference in how we age. Chapter 5: Mind over Age: How Mental Health Influences Longevity. Dr. Sinclair's approach to aging goes beyond just physical health. He also focuses on the importance of mental health. Stress, anxiety, and negative emotions can have a powerful effect on the body, speeding up the aging process. Sinclair emphasizes that the mind and body are deeply connected, and maintaining a positive outlook is key to extending life. One of the most surprising findings from Sinclair's research is the role of social connections in longevity. Studies have shown that people with strong social networks tend to live longer, healthier lives. Sinclair quotes the work of Blue Zones researcher Dan Buettner, who found that the happiest people in the world, those who live in areas with the longest lifespans, tend to have close-knit communities and strong relationships. Humans were built to be social, Sinclair says, and isolation is one of the biggest threats to our longevity. Sinclair also points to the power of mindfulness and meditation. Research has shown that meditation can reduce the effects of stress, lower blood pressure, and even boost immune function. These practices help lower inflammation in the body, a key factor in aging. Sinclair suggests that taking just 10 to 20 minutes each day to practice mindfulness can significantly improve both mental and physical health. In fact, studies have shown that people who manage their stress well and keep a positive mindset have longer telomeres, the protective caps on the ends of chromosomes. Telomere length is considered a marker of biological age, with shorter telomeres linked to aging and disease. By reducing stress and improving mental health, we can help preserve these important structures and slow aging at the cellular level. Chapter 6: The Longevity Toolkit: Small Changes for Big Lifespan Gains. If there's one thing Dr. Sinclair wants us to know, it's that longevity doesn't require drastic changes. Small, everyday habits can have a big impact on how we age. Sinclair's Longevity Toolkit includes a variety of science-backed strategies that anyone can adopt to extend their lifespan. For starters, Sinclair emphasizes the importance of regular physical activity. Exercise is perhaps the most accessible and effective strategy for slowing aging. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as walking, cycling, or swimming, has been shown to improve heart health, boost metabolism, and even stimulate the production of new cells. Exercise is medicine, Sinclair says, and it's one of the most potent tools we have to combat aging. Next, Sinclair recommends adopting a plant-based diet rich in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Research supports that plant-based diets reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Sinclair also highlights the importance of consuming antioxidant-rich foods, which help reduce oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. Sleep is another key factor in Sinclair's toolkit. Poor sleep is linked to a higher risk of developing diseases like Alzheimer's, obesity, and heart disease. On the other hand, quality sleep supports the body's repair mechanisms and helps regulate hormones that affect aging. Sinclair suggests aiming for 7 to 8 hours of good sleep each night, which allows the body to repair and rejuvenate itself. Another important element of the toolkit is reducing chronic inflammation. Sinclair advises cutting back on processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats, all of which contribute to inflammation. Instead, focus on foods that support the immune system, such as fatty fish, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. Sinclair also emphasizes the value of a positive attitude. Mental health is just as crucial as physical health in the aging process. He encourages practices like gratitude, mindfulness, and social engagement, all of which can help improve mental well-being and reduce stress. By incorporating these simple changes into daily life, Sinclair believes we can significantly increase our chances of living a long, healthy life. It's not about living forever, he says, but living well for as long as possible. By focusing on these actionable strategies, Dr. Sinclair offers a practical approach to slowing aging and improving health. If you want to dive deeper into how these strategies can help you live longer and feel younger, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and keep up with the latest in aging science.